Hello, this is Daniel from Home Valencia, and today I'm going to show you this 5-bedroom apartment right in the city center of Valencia. So here we've got the entrance to the apartment, and here we've got the bedroom number 1, 2, 3, and the rest of the apartment. So let's start with bedroom number 1. So here it is with a double bed. Desk is on this side, and the wardrobe, as you can see, the 2 segments is right here, and the access to the balcony with the exterior view is right here. Okay, so this is bedroom number 1. Now in the bedroom number 2 you can see personal belongings of a person who's living here, but of course they're not going to be here when you rent the room. So here it is, we've got a double bed, also big wardrobe, and here we've got this big desk with 2 shelves on this part. Okay, this is how it looks from here as well as here. So now bedroom number 3 is here with a double bed, desk with a chair and shelves right here on this side, and the wardrobe is right here. Yes, with the wardrobe with 2 shelves below. Okay, so that's bedroom number 3. Here at the entrance also we've got another wardrobe for in the common area. Here we've got a kind of dining room with a table and a couple of chairs, perfect for having meals. In front of which we've got the bathroom, so desk with a mirror and a chair is right here. The shower, sink with the mirror is right here, and the toilet is on this side. And here, almost in front of it, we've got another bathroom with also sink with the mirror here, toilet, and a shower right here. In front of bathroom number 2 we've got the kitchen with the oven, microwave, and here we've got the fridge. Washing machine is right here, the water heater, and the electric stove. Also all the kitchen equipment you can find right here and here. And here we've got bedrooms number 4 and 5, so let's start with 4. We've got a double bed here, desk with a chair and a lamp, wardrobe is here, and a couple of shelves. Now this room is interior but with very luminous side of the building, so there is plenty of natural light also here. As you can see also here in bedroom number 5, so we've got a desk, the wardrobe is right here, and here we've got a double bed in this part. Yes, so we've got, as you can see, all this natural light coming inside from this part. Yes. All right. So that will be it. Thank you very much. That was Dan from Home Valencia, and see you next time.